Hello friends, it is running Kimono, and even before we dive into the Walgreens deals, I want to talk really quickly about my favorite app of all times, which is the Fetch Rewards app. Well, a couple days ago I was buying some stuff at Walmart, thought I would get my green thumb on, and believe it or not, I got $7 back for both of these plants. It's little fines like this, or when you're just doing your groceries and getting back these points. These points accrue towards gift cards. And if you're buying, groceries that, you usually get no rebates or anything back, it still amounts to something with the Fetch Rewards app. It's as easy as this, guys. You go to the link in the notes, download the app, and use my referral code. And when you photograph your first receipt, it could be a pack of gum you bought last week or an Egg McMuffin you bought this morning. You're given 2,000 points, which is $2, and this is for new signups only. And I think when you get to the $3 to $5 mark, you can start getting gift cards to Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks. Do I have your attention? This is a terrific app. Check it out, guys, and start accruing those points today to get gift cards, and you probably could be drinking some coffee this afternoon. Okay, guys, so this is for the 23rd to the 29th. So this weekend will be Memorial Day weekend, and there's lots of food deals in this flyer. So we're going to go through them as well. Now, in your digital coupons folder, all of us probably got a booster. Hopefully you got one. I got the $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $50. This is of a one-time use, and it's valid from the 23rd to 29th if you look at the valid dates. So it starts on Sunday. And then a lot of you also got this one, which is the 5 back when you spend $20. The expiry date for this one's wonky. I didn't have the exact same one, so this is an older one that I received last month. But you possibly could have this one, either or. And if you wanted to pair it with a paper booster such as this one, like $8 of Walgreens cash when you spend $35, you'd have to buy a $35 basket. The 2 stack, which is really cool, like 1 paper and 1 digital. So to go through the rules again, all of these boosters are of a one-time use, and yes, 1 paper and 1 digital will stack. To get them to work, you have to pay cash bills for the balance, so debit card, credit card, cash bills, that sort of a thing. And it has to be after any sort of IVC or store coupons, because that will reduce the amount of your basket, those store coupons. And if you're trying to use this with the curbside pickup, the register rewards have been super wonky where they haven't been printing out for people that are doing those sort of pickups. So just be super mindful of that. Now, I guess their ears must have been ringing about curbside, because I got a little code on this that I can use on my account to get a 10 off of 30. You got to get to that $30 mark after coupons because it's a curbside pickup. And again, register rewards, those good things have not been printing out for customers. I hear a lot about that. So just be mindful of it. But say you wanted to get something for $20 or throw $20 of points, this might be something for you. If I could possibly ask a huge favor, if you could give this video a big thumbs up, really helps out the old YouTube algorithm and to ensure this video does not end up in YouTube Siberia. Okay, guys, first deal that we're going to talk about is this Twix. It is a full size, or the share size of these candy bars. So 89 cents. If it's $1.29 next week, we're going to look at the 2 different prices with the rebates, but it can make this guy really cheap or possibly a freebie. So over on Shopkick, there is 225 points when you buy it, and then when you scan it in store for this specific product. I don't have a referral link for you guys for Shopkick, but just download the app. Now, IBOTTA also has 10 cents back when you buy candy, so that's also fantastic. So let's look at this, guys. I'm grabbing one of those Twix full-size bars for 89 cents, getting back 220 points from Shopkick. That's about 80 cents. And also that 10 cents back from IBOTTA. It basically makes it completely for free. Now, if it's $1.29 starting on Sunday, let's look at the math for that. So if it's $1.29 starting on Sunday, you would do the $2.20 submission to Shopkick, so that's 80 cents, and 10 cents to IBOTTA. So it would be 39 cents after everything's said and done. But for a Twix, I think I would pay that all day, every day. Okay, the next deal that we have is quite excellent. It is with the Bic razors. Not every store sells these anymore. I know in smaller rural markets, they got rid of them. These guys are $6.29. That's a comparable price in store. We have a $4 digital coupon, so you have to make sure that you have this guy loaded. And then over on checkout 51, there's a 6 back when you buy 2. And yes, you can do this at Walgreens. However, this rebate does not exclude the use of coupons. I did read through the fine print. And then also on Bic's site, this one right here, there's $5 back when you spend the minimum of $5 on their razor, so you can apply for that. And I believe it's like it's like a Visa gift card that they will email to you. So that's something right there. Okay, so grabbing 2 of those razors for $6 and some change, that's $12.58. Subtracting the one $4 digital manufacturer, you're left with paying $8.58 out of pocket. Make a $6 submission to checkout 51, and then a $5 submission to that BIC website. It makes this free plus a $2.42 money maker. Pay cash for the balance. As the BIC site, if you read the fine print of it, they want to see a balance that you've paid at least $5. So just be very mindful of that. Okay, the next deal that we have is with the Pantene, 3 for $12. There's a 3 off of 3 digital coupon, and then a $3 register reward when you buy 3 of these. Let's say the word 3 one more time. Okay, so grabbing 3 of these, that's 12 on the nose. Subtracting that 3 off of 3 digital coupon, you're left with paying $9. Getting back a $3 register reward. It makes it $6 for the 3 or $2 for each shampoo. If you want to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, if you're doing this deal on its own, feel free to do so. Okay, the next little dealio that we have is with the Renuzit cones for 89 cents. Buy 4, get 2 for free. Somewhat mindful of that coupon because for whatever reason, only 89 cents ever comes off for me. Once in a blue moon, the full amount will come off, but just be mindful of that. You might have to call customer service. Grabbing 6 of those Renuzit cones, that's $5.34. Remember that goofy coupon that we're loading on Sunday morning? Buy 6, get 2 for free. So $1.78 should be coming off. You're left with paying $3.56 for the 6, dropping it down to 59 cents per cone. If you're doing this deal on its own, it's cool to use some Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Okay, now we have a little deal with the Colgate, $3.99. There's supposed to be a $2 digital coupon starting on Sunday and $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 tubes of the toothpaste, that's $7.98. Subtracting the one $2 coupon, you're left with paying $5.98 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, shaking it out to 99 cents per tube. Now on Sunday, will there be a more valuable Colgate coupon, like a 4 off of 2 or a 3 off of 2? We'll have to wait and see, but even at this $2, 99 cents per tube, that's a bit. Unless you were working on a $50 basket, this is some rich toothpaste. And now we have the Snuggle and all, $2.88. There's going to be a $1 digital coupon starting on Sunday morning, dropping it down to $1.88. The price for this is usually like $5.99. It's expensive stuff. It's made out of gold, so this is a really good price point for this detergent. Okay, and now we have a little deal of a $5 register reward when you buy 3 of the participating products. So what we're looking at in the center there is the Coppertone. And they're $8 each. See, 2 for $16. So we're going to grab 3 of these. Now, I know in this weekend's insert, there's a 5 off of 2 and a $2 off, so you could use the one 5 off of 2 and the one $2 off. But we're going to look at this digitally. There's a 4 off of 2 digital showing up on Sunday morning. And if you have this, pair it in with a deal. So here it is, guys, grabbing 3 of the Coppertones for $24. Make sure that you have your booster loaded, $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20. Subtracting the 4 off of 2 digital coupon. And usually whenever these new sunscreens show up this time of the year, there's always hang tag or peely coupons. Grab one of those off the product at the store. You're left with paying $18 cash out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $8 for the 3 or $2.66 each. So basically you're buying 1 and getting 2 for free after all of this magic. And if you are doing this deal with a booster, do not use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance or you will not earn it. Okay, next little dealio that we're going to look at, let's go with the toothbrushes because why not? You know, we barely see it. $3 each, and there's going to be a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Now, this is the same promotion as is the Coppertone, so just be mindful of that. So we're going to grab 3 of the Oral-B toothbrushes because we need a little bit of fancy toothbrushes in our lives. So 3 of them is 9 on the nose. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're left with paying $6, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 3 or 33 cents per brush. If you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, if you're just buying these toothbrushes on their own, that should be totally fine. You can use your cash and still earn that register reward. Okay guys, next deal that we're going to look at, if you look at the top, this is another $5 register reward when you buy 3. And we're looking right at the top at the Oral-B. There is a mouth rinse. It's called Gum Detoxify. They have a bunch of different ones and they're all different priced, which is kind of bizarre. But that's what we're going to be looking at. And if you might have one of these boosters, such as this one's expired. I'm just showing you for visual purposes. This is the 5 back when you spend 20. So if you might have been so lucky to get it, this might be a cool deal for you. So we're going to need the following digitals loaded that include a 3 off of 1 and then a 3 off of 2. So these 2 digitals loaded to your store card. Over on IBOTTA, $1 back whenever you buy one of these. Okay, so looking at the math for this one, 3 of the Oral-B mouth rinses at $6.99. That's $20.97. Spend 20, get 5. Make sure you have that booster loaded digitally. We have $6 of digital manufacturers. You're paying $14.97 cash bills out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward and $5 of Walgreens cash. Make it that $3 submission to IBOTTA, $1 times 3, so you're going to get $3 back for each mouth rinse. So we're looking at $1.97 for the 3 or 65 cents per mouth rinse. Do not use your Walgreens cash if you're in fact using the booster with this little deal. But how fantastic is this one? Like, what a great little deal. Okay, so looking at another little deal is with the Gillette King C. And this is an interesting one. It's spend 20, get back 10. So you have to get to that $20 mark on the nose, which can be kind of challenging. As it's going to be Father's Day pretty soon, a lot of this shaving stuff will probably see some good deals on it. So for the Gillette King C, the razor alone, there's this $3 coupon that's attaching to the $9.99 razor. Please make sure that you have this booster for this little deal to just get a little bit more with it. Okay, so looking at the math for this one of the Gillette King C razors for $9.99, one Gillette King C beard wash for $12.99. Well, that's the total right there of $22.98. Make sure that you have your 5 back when you spend 20 booster loaded. You have your one $3 digital. You're left with paying $19.98 cash out of pocket. Cash bills, debit, credit, whatever. Do not use your Walgreens cash. Then you're getting back 15. 10 for the promotion of spend 20, get back 10, plus the 5 for, spend 20, get back 5. So it's $4.98 for the 2, a nice little early Father's Day gift. And remember not to use your Walgreens cash if you're in fact using the booster with this little deal. Okay, guys, so now let's take a quick peek at some honorable mentions. The first being lots of food products, beverages, that sort of stuff, really inexpensive with Memorial Day. They're getting ready that people will be cooking out. So, of course, they're going to have little promotions like this. This is great for the Coke and Pepsi. And then these teas, which are really large, $1.99. If you wanted to use 10, 20 bucks of your Walgreens cash, this would be like super smart. And then the Lay's Doritos, it's $2 per bag, which is also a really good price point. And a couple weeks back, we had very high value Charmin coupons. We have to wait and see which one's going to attach with the Charmin and Bounty. I can't line it up as of now, but this might be a really good deal starting on Sunday. We'll have to just wait and see. I need to get into the store and scan to see what is attaching and how it'll work and how the tags are corresponding to. But if you're looking for paper, this might be your deal. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.